Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your gel pots when gel has leaked out. So as you can see, this is a brand new jar of gel. It's Young Nails Manicure. Nothing against the company. It happens where the product just leaks out. I understand it. It's happened to other products that I purchased that weren't Young Nails. It ain't a Young Nails problem. It just happens. So for those of you who don't know, I love working with gel. I just can't stand gel being on my fingers. It's like having your fingers sticky from touching syrup and you have no idea how it happened if you use a fork when you eat pancakes. It's gross. So I'm taking some Young Nails Swipe and I am cleaning the outside of my jar first. I'm making sure that there's not an ounce of gel on the outside. So when I'm done doing that, I'm going to separate the jar from the actual pot itself and I'm going to clean around the threads of the jar. So when you are doing this, you want to make sure that the wipe that you're using is not totally saturated with your cleanser, because if it is, it'll get inside of your gel pot and it'll contaminate the entire pot, and you do not want that. So I have a damp wipe that I'm using right now, and I'm just cleaning off the threads of my little pot there, and I'm making sure it is thoroughly cleansed. Next, I'm going for the lid. Now, I'm just seeing how much gel I'm going to lose. It's not that much, I promise. But I'm cleaning the inside of the cap, and my wipe is more saturated this time because it's just a cap. And you need to make sure you clean the threads very well. And then you're going to see me push down on this white part to make sure that none of the gel got back there. It did not, so I'm just cleaning it very well. And once you are done cleaning it, you are going to give it one last wipe down on both sides, the cap and the jar. And then you're done. That's it. Hope you guys liked my little tip here. You don't have to throw your gels away or cry if the gel leaks out. It is perfectly fine. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!